Good morning everyone. Let us take up the second problem. In the last session we have solved one problem. Today we will be taking two more problems on IC engines. So let us read the problem. A trial was conducted on a single cylinder oil engine having a cylinder diameter of 30 centimeters and stroke 45 centimeter. The engine is working on a 4-stroke cycle and the following observations were made. The duration of trial 54 minutes, total fuel used 7 liters, calorific value 42 kilojoules per kg, total number of revolutions 12,624, gross IMEP 7.25 bar, pumping IMEP 0.35 bar, net load on the brake 150 kg, diameter of brake wheel drum 1.78 meters, diameter of rope 4 centimeters, cooling water circulated 550 liters, cooling water temperature rise 48 degrees centigrade, specific heat of water 4.18 kilojoules per kg Kelvin, specific gravity of oil 0.8, calculate the mechanical efficiency and also the unaccounted heat losses. So this is a problem given to us. Now with this problem let us write what is given in the problem. So as I said, a trial is being conducted on a single cylinder oil engine having a cylinder diameter of 30 centimeters and stroke 45 centimeter. The engine is working on a 4-stroke engine. So it is having a single cylinder. So therefore K is equal to 1. That is number of cylinders are 1. Then it is a 4-stroke engine. So small n is equal to capital N by 2. That is number of explosions is half of the speed. Then diameter is given, capital D is equal to 30 centimeters. Stroke length capital L is equal to 45 centimeters. Then the duration is given, small t is equal to 54 minutes. Fuel consumed, MF is given, it is 7 liters. So we need to convert this 7 liters into meter cube. Calorific value CV is 42 megajoules per kg. Then revolutions, speed is given 12,624. Gross PMI is given, that is IMEP 7.25 bar. Then pumping IMEP is given. So the mean effective pressure that is lost due to pumping, that is PMI, is 0.35 bar. Net load, so N equal to, that is net load is W minus S. So W minus S is 150 kg. So diameter of brake wheel capital DB is given to us. So it is 1.78 meters. Diameter of rope DR is given, it is 4 centimeters. Then cooling water circulated, it is 550 liters. Then cooling water rise temperature is given to us, that is T2 minus T1 is 48 degrees centigrade. Then specific heat of water CPW is given to us 4.18 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. And he has given us rho, that is specific gravity, or I will write it as specific gravity only, and we will convert that later into density. So specific gravity of oil is 0.8. So what we need to find out? We need to find out eta mech, that is mechanical efficiency, and we need to find out unaccounted heat loss. Unaccounted heat loss. So that is the heat lost which is not accounted. So these are the things that we need to find in the problem. So let us start calculating the things from the beginning, from IP onwards. That is, we will find out first the value of IP. We know the equation for IP. IP is equal to K PMI LAN divided by 60 into 1000. And we know the unit, it is kilowatt. So, number of cylinders given is 1. PMI. How to find out PMI is, we need to find out the effective mean effective pressure, that is gross mean effective pressure minus pumping effective pressure, which gives me the value of PMI into 10 to the power 5 because it is given in bar, into L stroke length. So 45 centimeters 0.45 into diameter pi by 4 d square. So diameter is given is 30, that is 0.3 square into N. N is given to us, speed is given in the problem. The value of speed given in the problem is 12624 divided by 2 into 54, because we are conducting this trial for 54 minutes. So when we conduct this trial for 54 minutes, the speed given to us is nothing but 12,624. And like in the previous problem, number of explosions were given to us. So we have not taken small n is equal to capital N by 2. So when number of explosions are not given, theoretically we need to assume that number of explosions or number of firings is half the speed for 4-stroke engines. So find out the value of IP. So you get 51.3 kilowatt. Then find out the value of BP. So we know the equation for BP. BP is equal to 2 pi NT divided by 60 into 1000. Again the unit is kilowatt. So we'll substitute the value 2 into pi into N is given to us 12624 into torque. Torque is nothing but W minus S into dB plus dr by 2. So W minus S is 150. It is given in kg. So multiply it by 9.81 to convert this into Newton into dB plus dr. So the value of dB is 1.78 plus dr value. It is 4 centimeters. Convert this 4 centimeters into meters. So divided by 2 for dB plus dr by 2 into 60 into 1000 into 54, because as I said the speed is given for 54 minutes. The speed of 12,624 is for 54 minutes. That is, the trial is conducted for 54 minutes. So find out the value of BP. So you get it as 39.23 kilowatt. So find out mechanical efficiency. So eta mech, we know the equation for eta mech. Eta mech is equal to BP divided by IP into 100. So what is the value of BP? It is 39.23 divided by IP value is 51.3 into 100. So we get the answer to be as 76.47%. Or if you are not converting this into percentage, you can write it as 0.7647. This also is correct. So we found out the value of mechanical efficiency. Before that we have found out the value of BP and we have found out the value of IP also. Clear? Next we need to find out heat supplied. So heat supplied by the fuel will be equal to, so he has given us 7 liters. So 7 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 6. That is, first initially you are converting this 7 liters into centimeter cube, and then from centimeter cube you are converting this into meter cube. So into 800, because 0.8 specific gravity is given, that is 0.8 into 1000 divided by 1000 to convert this into density. That is 800 becomes the density divided by 54, because it is for 54 minutes, into the calorific value which is given in the problem. That is, the calorific value is 42 megajoules, so 42,000 kilojoules. So you will get the value of heat supplied. That is 522.6.67 kilojoules per minute. This is what is heat supplied. Then find out the value of heat equivalent to BP. So heat equivalent to BP, heat equivalent to BP is BP into 60, because we need to find out kilojoules per minute. So the value of BP is 39.23 kilowatt, that is kilowatt is kilojoules per second into 60. So you will get this in kilojoules per minute, that is you get the value to be equal to 2353.8 kilojoules per minute. Then he has given us heat taken away by cooling water, that is heat lost in jacket cooling water or cooling water jacket which we are using. So is given by mass of cooling water, that is 550 liters is being used. So into rise in temperature into 4.18 divided by 54. So you will get this in terms of kilojoules per kg, that is 2452.3 kilojoules per minute. Then find out unaccounted heat loss. Unaccounted losses is given by heat supplied. So what is the value of heat supplied? It is nothing but 5226.67 minus heat equivalent to BP, that is 2353.8 plus 2452.3. So you'll get the value of unaccounted heat loss, that is 420.57 kilojoules per minute. Next we'll take up another problem, that is a gasoline engine working on a 4-stroke develops a brake power of 20.9 kilowatt. A Morse test was conducted on this engine, and the brake power in kilowatt obtained when each cylinder was made inoperative by short circuiting the spark plug are 14.9, 14.3, 14.8 and 14.5 respectively. The test was conducted at constant speed. Find the indicated power, mechanical efficiency and brake mean effective pressure when all the cylinders are firing. The bore of the engine is 75 mm and the stroke is 90 mm. the engine is running at 3000 rpm. So this is a problem given to us. So the problem is on Moore's test. So we know the equation to find out the value of IP1. That is, IP1 is equal to BP minus BP1. I repeat, from Moore's test, IP1 will be equal to BP, that is brake power of all cylinders firing minus the first cylinder cutoff. So when all cylinders are firing, the value is given in the problem is 20.9 minus the first cylinder cutoff is 14.9. So you get the value to be equal to 6 kilowatt. Similarly, find out IP2, indicated power of the second cylinder, that is when all cylinders are firing, BP of when all cylinders are firing minus BP2, that is 20.9 minus 14.3, that is you get to be equal to 6.6 kilowatt. Then IP3 will be equal to BP minus BP3, that is 20.9 again minus 14.8, so it is 6.1 kilowatt. Then next IP4 will be equal to BP minus BP4, that is it will be equal to 20.9 minus 14.5, so you get it to be equal to 6.4 kilowatt. So when you get the value of IP1, IP2, IP3 and IP4, so total indicated power, that is IP, that is IP1, IP2, IP3 and IP4, which is nothing but I call it as IP, will be equal to sum of IP1 plus sum of IP2 plus sum of IP3 plus sum of IP4. That is, we are adding all the 4 indicated powers of individual cylinders, that is 6 plus 6.6 plus 6.1 plus 6.4. So this will be equal to, if I add them, it will be equal to 25.1 kilowatt. So the total indicated power is 25.1 kilowatt. After finding out the value of IP, let us find out mechanical efficiency, which is asked in the problem. So eta mech will be equal to BP, that is BP 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by IP 1, 2, 3, 4 into 100, or I can write only it as BP divided by IP into 100. So what is the value of BP given to us in the problem? It is given as 20.9 divided by IP, what we have found out just now is 25.1 kilowatt into 100. So you get the value to be equal to 83.3%. Then next, find out the value of PMB. How to find out PMB? PMB is nothing but brake mean effective pressure. So it is given by BP into 60,000 divided by KA ln into. Similarly, like finding out the value of IP. So substitute all these values. BP is given 20.9 into 60 into 1000, that is 60,000 what I have written, into K, number of cylinders is given to us, it is 1, into L is given to us, the value of L given in the problem is 90 mm, so it is 0.09 into pi by 4 goes to the numerator, into diameter given in the problem is 75, that is 0.075 whole square into speed given to us is 3000 and it is for a 4-stroke engine, so 3000 divided by 2, So 2 goes to the numerator. And we are conducting this for 4 cylinders. So the value of K is 4. So we get this answer to be as 5.25 into 10 to the power 5 pascals. That is 5.25 bar. So in the next session, we will take up few more problems on IC engines. Thank you.